Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video I am going to show dye natural scrub, and it's made out of oat. Oatmeal is an excellent and healthy way to start your day. This cereal is not only good for health but also has many beauty benefits. And today I will be sharing which is very effective and also very useful for skin. And all you need is ingredients. And oats will exfoliate dead skin and also natural cleansers, so it keeps your skin free of dirt and oil. Almonds are rich vitamin E and also helps acne free and pimple free skin but also maintain the skin softness. And honey present in the scrub will keep your face moisture and hydrated, making it softer. And this scrub is for normal skin and oily skin as well. Definitely try this scrub, guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Until then, bye bye.